Okay, so it's the next day. Got a extension cable for the CPU power supply, but it's not. It's all a bit loose, so I'm just going to wrap it with a zip tie. Okay. Okay, that's a bit better. So no USB 3 headers on the motherboard, so I've got that just tucked away. I've got, this is the USB 3 cable from the card reader, just plugged into the USB 3 port at the back. The main power cable is long enough to reach the board, but not long enough to be routed at the back, but it's not too bad. I can mount that there with the cable tie. Get that somewhat out of the way. I've hooked up a couple of LED strips, one blue, one white. I think I'm just going to attach them to the top, shining down. No window on this side, but the whole of the front is a grill. There's obviously the top, and as well as the bottom. Sort of sitting down, the camera's some 3M sticky business. Let's see how bright they are. So now I've just got to plug in the last side cable. That's for the card reader. Now for the CPU power. And this way. Alright. I think what I'll do is tie up my fan splitters, my CPU fan and power supply, but I'll just use a cable tie. Just one of the ones that came with something for this, because it's going to make it a bit easier to get them apart when they need to come apart, which they will do. The cable out of the fan, because that's important. So now it's just these really. The LEDs. I think I'm going to put them at the top there. Give it a little test boot just before tying everything else down. Make sure it still works after I drop the camera on it. If it does, we'll call it the Battle Axe build. Okay, it is time. It's all plugged in. I'm going to turn the socket on, turn the power supply on. This is where we find out if it works and if I've got the LED leads in the right way. So there it goes. Battle axe build. Happy days. LEDs. Only one's working. Cool. Turn that off. Right. Separate these LEDs and plug them in separately. So now they should be working. Right, what I might just do for the moment is reroute these back out of here. Route them into the bottom and just leave them in the bottom. Just a bit of cable management. Right, a bit of a mess back here. And we don't have a huge amount of space. Okay. As flush as I can get it, it's going to be a bit of a squeeze, I think. Oh, let's find out. Does fit, let's just clear the resistance. Slide it in. I just want to make sure that out of there any D-backs. Yep. Very good. Well, what can I say? It's on, it fits beautifully. Might reposition those LEDs. Time to get the operating system. Power lights in the right way, so hopefully the old hard disk drive light is as well. Alright, what I'm going to do is unplug the hard drive, just leave the solid state drive in. Just unpicking the data cable. Did I get it? I think I missed. Well, it's definitely turning off and on and off and on and on and off, and that's a good thing. Delete. Oh no! So, use this drive. Oh, it's got the Samsung SSD, no other hard drive. It's not even too loud at the minute. We'll see how loud it gets when it's got Windows on it, but and that's just on the standard profile. It's an OEM copy. Not quite as pretty as the retail ones, but I'll put this onto silent fan profile. Booting from the CD. Progress. And that's about all you're going to see for this bit. Wow, look how bad the monitor is. You see that? Yeah, you see that. Not good for action. It's not a good gaming monitor. Accept. Next. Okay, so this is a fresh build, so it's got to be custom install Windows only. There it is. That's pretty painless. Just gonna reconnect the mechanical hard drive just by plugging back in the data cable. I think that's it. Turn this cover back on. Let's see how fast this beast boots up. Yeah, I think that glitchiness on the screens from the drivers not being updated. Everything's set up, it's all working. Windows is updated, antivirus installed. One thing left to do is three. Sticker just. That's pretty. No, it's in the back before. So you got that shiny bit. It's on both sides. Now you know.